Hey guys, so I'm working on a new tutorial. I'm going to make mommy and me hats out of this yarn. How beautiful is this yarn? And it crochets up magnificently. I'm going to put a yellow pom-pom on top. How cute would that be? But I'm going to make a baby size, a toddler size, and an adult size. And this is the baby size, what I'm crocheting so far. But I did get this yarn for free. I've never heard of this yarn before, but they contacted me and said, would I like to receive 2 skeins for free and make a video about it, a review video. So this yarn is 50% acrylic and 50% wool, and I have knitted with it and it knits up beautifully. I have crocheted with it and it crochets beautifully. This is double crochet. It doesn't feel 100% like wool. It's not like that scratchy wool feeling, but it doesn't have that shiny, fake acrylic feeling. It's a really good mix where it has the softness of acrylic but the durability of wool. I really, really like it. So I'm going to make 2 or 3 hat tutorials. If you guys want to see me make anything else, I was thinking a sweater might be nice. The one thing I do like about this yarn is it is $15 for one whole skein. And this is a lot of yarn. This is like 400 yards. So let's see. It's 437 yards, which I could probably make a sweater for Rebecca out of this yarn. And I might only need 2 or 3 skeins to make something for Ruben, like a sweater. And it's very, very affordable. And my daughter loves it. You love it, don't you? Let's leave it intact, guys. No, don't. Oh dear. Give me my yarn back. Okay. Thanks, Ruben. Stop. Okay. Oh dear. Okay. So they were really nice to provide me with an affiliate code if you use the code Kitty Ears. So if you use the code Kitty Ears on their website, you will receive a 10% discount, and I will also receive a 10% commission. Now here's the part of the video where I tell you that I don't really care if you use my code or not. I'm not on YouTube to make money. I really don't care about it. They just gave me the code, so I am telling you guys about it. But I do highly recommend the yarn. Really big. I mean, this skein's like as big as my head. And I really love knitting with it, and I love crocheting with it. And I'm going to make an update video probably at the end of my tutorial when I have finished knitting all of my hats. And I will post the tutorials for you. I will link everything down in the description, the website, my affiliate link. I would also like to say that this website is Canadian. So if you're in the US, 15 Canadian dollars would be $11 in United States money. So it's even cheaper if you live in the United States. So I'm on their website right now, and they have tons and tons of different types of yarn here. They have linen, rainbow yarn, Peruvian alpaca, kid yarns, experimental yarn, which I think is the kind, yeah, this is the kind that I got, I believe. Competitive yarn. It's classic yarn, 50% wool and 50% acrylic. Classical series. They even have knitting bags. 95% wool yarns. Anyway, I know I'm filming my computer. I don't know how to film the screen like most YouTubers do, so I'm just showing you the yarns. So this is their Pakora Yarns, and they have ice yarns, alpaca, camel, cotton, felting, merino wool, sheep wool, viscose, and other types of things on here. Their alpaca wool looks gorgeous. That's gorgeous. I love alpaca. It's like super soft if you ever knit with it. So you should definitely go on this website and check it out. I will put the link in the description below. Let me know if you use any of this yarn and what you think of it.